Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix TikTok camera quality on your phone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your TikTok app and then proceed to your profile, which is located on the lower right corner. And then click on the three lines which is located on the upper right corner, and then scroll down and look for Data Saver. And then make sure to turn off Data Saver so that your video quality will be higher. Once done, simply press back once again, and then if it still doesn't work, what you're going to do is to make sure that you have a working internet connection and at the same time it is fast. So that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok camera quality on your phone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.